Hey everyone, today we are at Waves Car Wash in Braddon. We have a WashTec Soft Care 2 Pro Touchless, as you can see. This one here, unlike Gungahlin, still has the original brush colours, as you can see, which is green, orange and purple. Stop. So we're starting off with our pre-soak. Smells nice actually.
It does.
So here we have our side blasters. And here come our Softecs, which are green, purple and orange. It's a lovely day for a car wash, isn't it? Probably doing the tyre scrubbers down there, as you can see. Let's change directions. However though, even though this is the last WashTec Soft Care 2 Pro Touchless with these coloured brushes at Waves in Canberra, there's no doubt that these can get replaced with plain grey brushes. So let's change directions again. Doing the tyre scrubbers back there, as you can see. You can't really see that, but change directions. Tyre scrubbers always do the doors, don't they? That's happened to me more than once, by the way.
Yeah.
So that's going to head back up. We should be onto our Shine-Tex polish now, I believe. Now this machine comes in two different designs. As you probably know, you can get a pure touch-free version. Yep, here come the Softecs again. And then we have a combination wash version, which is this one that we're in right now. Soft Care 2 Pro Touchless are everywhere in Australia. Not gonna lie. English introductions. Later today I'm going to be going to another car wash that actually has another wash tech, which is pretty interesting. Yep, so the brush cycle's ending. Now we are waxing, I believe.
Probably, yeah.
Possibly even Rain-X, I believe. I actually haven't noticed that the nozzles inside the gantry actually rotate a little bit. Actually move.
Yeah.
That's rather unusual, but yet again, pretty interesting. I actually never noticed that. Now we should be on the dryers now, after this. And here we go. Yep. The dryers are starting. And here comes the FlexStream dryer, rotary roof jet, as you can see right here. So this is the traditional WashTec style dryer. Which is it's called FlexStream, as you can see. The side dryers right here. And as you can see, this dryer nozzle actually rotates. As you can see, it looks a lot like a Softline 2 dryer actually.
Looks very well.
Of course, like I said, it's not as good as Istable, not as good as Istable, but it's pretty nice.
Very nice.
The top brush should be doing the top brush spin, I believe, at this point. We can't really see that from where I'm sitting. So by the way, there's a good look at the brushes, at the side brush right here. You can see it's purple, orange and green. There's the fan motor right there, as you can see. And our journey is at an end. You have a nice WashTec logo down there, as you can see. And we are done. So there we have it. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.